Hello, I am Priyanka Mahajan. Today we are going to learn how to use should in sentences. Should is a modal verb. It is the preterite of shall, not used as often. We use should to give advice or suggest something or to give our opinion. It is less strong than must or have to. Should also serves to express a certainty, give advice, or make a suggestion. Should indicates what should be done and it is used as a recommendation or advice. You should read this book, it's great. You look tired. You should go to bed. You should go out more often. When you go to Paris, you should visit the lovers. To say that something is wrong, we can use should in negative form to advise against or say that something is wrong. We shouldn't leave without saying goodbye. I shouldn't listen to you. She shouldn't eat too much. You shouldn't work so much. He shouldn't talk like that to his mother. You shouldn't believe everything he says. To request or advise. Should we invite Kevin to the party? Yes, I think we should. What should I do? We use should to express a regret or reproach. With the formula should plus have plus verb in the past participle, we express a regret or a reproach. You should have checked the timetable. I should have studied more, but I was too tired. We should have taken the train. You should have come to the party last night. You should have given your brother the key yesterday when he asked for it. Compare should go and should have gone in the following examples. You should eat your breakfast. You should have eaten your breakfast. We use should for giving opinion. We often use should with think, I don't think, do you think at the beginning of the sentence. This allows for the expression of personal judgment. I think she should stop smoking. I don't think we should tell her. You should be more careful. Do you think Sarah should see a doctor? We use should to express a certitude. We also use should to express a certainty, a very high probability. This is not normal. He should be here by now. She should pass her exams by now. They should already be in Singapore. There are plenty of restaurants in the town. It shouldn't be difficult to find somewhere to eat. When the probability concerns the past, we use should have plus past participle. They should have finished already. He should have eaten by now. We use should to express an obligation that is less than necessary. Sometimes should be used instead of must to make instructions, orders, or rules more polite and less strong. We often see this on notices or information boards. Passengers should check in at least 2 hours before departure time. On hearing the fire alarm, hotel guests should leave their room immediately. Express an unfulfilled obligation. In this case, we use should plus be plus verb ing To say that the subject does not act as it should. You should be wearing your seat belt. We should be studying for the test. Other values of should. One can use should in two types of subordinates in that first, to express a judgment after a sentence beginning with an adjective such as strange, funny, interesting, surprised, surprising plus that or by, it's important, necessary, essential, vital that should. It's strange that you should say that. I'm amazed that he should think that. It's essential that everyone should be here on time. After some verbs expressing an order, a request such as suggest, insist, propose, request, recommend. She insisted that we should sing the song aloud. They demanded that he should repay the money. She insisted that I should have dinner with her. However, it is not mandatory to use should in the above sentences. Values of should. It's strange that you should say that. It's strange that you say that. I'm amazed that he should think that. I'm amazed that he think that. It's essential that everyone should be here on time. It's essential that everyone be here on time. She insisted that we should sing the song aloud. She insisted that we sing the song aloud. They demanded that he should repay the money. They demanded that he repay the money. She insisted that I should have dinner with her. She insisted that I have dinner with her. With if or in case to express a possibility. If or in case they should come, tell them to telephone. To express an obligation, we use would have to and not should. If my dad was sent abroad, I would have to quit my school, not I should quit my school. Thank you.